What's up, Ryan? What's up, Vinit? What's up, Ashwin? Guys, I can't wait to show you guys what I'm working on. I can't wait to finish what I'm working on, to be honest, too. That's just gonna help me. All right. Where are we at on the daily chart? Welcome, everybody. What's up, Douglas? What's up, No news today. Oh, we're far from previous day high, huh? Oh, we got the S&P there. That's interesting. What's up, Juice J? You were here yesterday. You said check the Discord. Oh, that's happened to me too, bro. Yo, Elliot, I set mine to 350, bro. So trust me, I know how you feel. I mean, for these accounts, it's 700, but usually it's 350 on the funded. On the Top Step X funded, I set that shit to 350, bro. 2 trade minus 150 risk. This is pretty difficult price action, but we can navigate this. We can definitely navigate this. Nuclear news? What do you mean? Something about Russia or something? I don't care about that. Great question, Jake. Give me a second, I'll go over what I think's gonna happen. ES did take previous day high. Yep, that was my drawn liquidity for NQ going into today, but it was taken on ES. And do you trade inversion? Sometimes. What's good, Trevor? Welcome everybody. Welcome. Real deal Zsky. Let's get it, bro. Let's fucking get it, bro. How are you? I'm good, bro. I'm good. What are you watching for today in Q? We'll cover it in a bit, brother. Just waiting for some people to join up from YouTube and some brothers from TikTok. Once everyone comes through, maybe we'll wait 3 more minutes, then we'll start talking. Just to make sure everyone knows what's up. I'm good, Trevor. Honestly, better than ever, bro. As soon as I'm done live streaming, going back to the lab, I want to finish what I'm working on as soon as possible, man. What's your goal with YouTube? Number 1, YouTube big trader. Number 1, YouTube big trader. Easy day today. Let's get it, bro. What are you working on? How do I say it without spoiling it? All my knowledge, all my learnings from ICT, put into one concept, one model. I'm also working on advanced theories on that model. I'll demonstrate some today, but I'm not gonna mention anything. I don't want to spoil. I'm working on I'm already like halfway done, but all the knowledge I have from ICT's lectures and learnings, as well as thousands of trades that I've taken, noting the losses, noting the wins, noting understanding why price moved. I've managed to finally, and I've never been able to do this, but I've managed to finally put it under one context, one concept, one conceptualization. And I think it's going to really clear things up for my trading and hopefully other people's trading. And it's going to be good, bro. But I still have some work to do. Good morning, 84. Welcome all the brothers. All right, what are we looking for? Are you bullish today? Yeah. We're going to look for longs. Thoughts on XRP? I actually just bought some, bro. So bullish, I guess. Okay, what are we looking for? MFFU. 500 futures has two phases? I like these relative equal highs. Tomorrow will be expansion day, close charts, bruh. I'm good, brother. But you do you. You do you, my man. Still like these relative equal highs that were left. I like this as daily power of 3. Notice what I'm about to do here. Asian range. Ooh, I like that. Although this isn't really accumulation. If you look at your midnight open accumulation, it's not clean. Do you even have time drivers, or do you just stare at candles all day? I don't know what you're saying. I only live stream for about 2 hours. Same view. Got you, my brother. Let's see if it can play out. I want to see new week opening gap use the support. I want to see this inverse. We've already manipulated. 930 could just distribute. Maybe a small power of 3 at 930. ICT, but don't know what time drivers are. Time drivers are. You talking about news? Talking about macros? You talking about opening prices? Your terminology is incorrect. ICT never uses that term. Not like he uses the other ones. MMXN at M1. Expecting this 15-minute inverse is not too much of a stretch. Barbell hitting. TikTok has the haters, bro. That's why I've been trying to convert people to YouTube. Like all my YouTube, I'm live on YouTube and TikTok same time, bro. Everyone on YouTube is real as fuck, bro. They just keep it real, you know? What's up, bro? I like this. Just passed my apex, but I can't go to sleep because you're excited or what? What's up, Bob? All right, everyone's joining through. All right. Let's do this. I'm gonna want to see this 15-minute inverse. Now, I honestly expecting 930 to distribute. It could be choppy until 950 though. What coin is this? I'm trading futures, brother. But if you want a coin, I'll just buy XRP. What's open mode? You able to shoot up at the open? 930. Maybe make some callouts? I mean, text whatever you need, my brother. In the chat. At the end of the day, I'm just here to show my journey, you know? You do you. Leave a like for your boy. It's free. I love you, Trevor. I remember you're actually the homie, bro. Yeah, I like these highs in terms of timing the move. The fact we already came down here, I don't think we're going to come back down. We could do what we did yesterday and come back to the rejection block. That's a deep move, and I don't like that. I like these relative equal highs. I like the new day opening gap there. I'm so annoyed, boy. Red market PA perfectly. Welcome to the team, brother. Welcome to the team. And inversing the 15 is kind of a stretch, but I think we have a 5-minute CISD. No, wow, we just dumped all the way from 8:30, huh? Okay. We'll look at the org and see if we can frame a long. Yo, what's up, my brother? 20635. Where are we trading now? That's org high. Oh yeah, you know, I want to see price. I want to see full gap closure. You done for today? Oh yeah, you hit them. You good, Elliot? You good, bro? Take care, brother. 5 minutes still open. First thing I'm gonna look for is maybe a retracement into this leg and then longs. It's always safe to wait till 10 a.m. Were you using the stream? I use OBS Studio. What's up, Money Glitch? Is Forex still good? Yeah, bro. I actually trade Forex as well. Trade Forex as well. Let me. You bullish? I'm gonna be looking for longs. Yeah, it's possible I might change my bias today, but for now, looking for longs. I'm in Eastern Time, Diego. Appreciate you, Alex. Appreciate you. Currently, we're on a losing streak. Well, we've been reading price really well. If you reach 20.0617, you're bullish even more. Where are you from? Toronto. Toronto. What are you looking for? I'm looking for like this at 9:30, but I might wait for the macro or 10 a.m. Last time we were right about the move, but we entered a bit early. Makes sense because time distortion. Yeah, they did, Paul, actually. Actually did. So that's nice, but I don't really care about that, to be honest. What do you trade, NASDAQ? How many trades average per week? I think I average like 5. Anywhere from like 4, 3 to 7. What is your process? I'm gonna mark out the key levels first that I'm interested in. What's too old, bro? Come on, there's no too old, bro. Maybe once you can't see anymore, are you a profitable trader? My last 2 months, no, but previously, yeah. So I don't know. Do what you will with that information. Over my whole journey, yeah. Well, last 2 months have been difficult for me. Welcome, Jay. Bias. I'm looking for longs right now, but it's kind of a more soft bias because I mean it's always going to be risky shorting this 50-minute fair value gap. But I really like how we're wicking right now. We're below previous day low, but this could just form out the daily order block. I mean, but we took previous day low. This was kind of the move I was expecting, the fair value gap to previous day low, but it happened in one day, which is pretty amazing. How long you been trading? It's been like just over a year. Someone said check Bitcoin. I'll quickly check Bitcoin very quickly before 9:30 open. Bitcoin 50-minute chart. I'm guessing you want something intraday. Looks pretty bearish to me. Yeah, it looks pretty bearish to me, bro. Maybe expect a retracement. 50-minute bearish fair value gap could give nice shorts. Asia low is intact. Oh wait, we're all-time highs. I totally forgot. Yeah, maybe previous day low. Maybe with the previous day high, like go something like that. It's hard. You gotta play the range. Just if you're gonna trade this, stay on the lower time frame and play the range. All right. If you like the judicing model, bro, just wait. Just wait. I couldn't even. What accounts are you trading? I'm trading 350k accounts. Um, just wait, Alex, because I got the sauce coming out for that. If 9:30 just pumps all the way, then we'll wait for 10 a.m. maybe to give us a retracement. But for now, this green line is kind of what I'm aiming for. I wouldn't mind. I'd like to see something like this. Ooh, that'd be nice. This would be really nice. Even a 50-minute immediate rebalance. Kind of like a double purge here. That's your initial buy side now. I use Top Step X, and then I just trade on Trader with my fund and futures on what you're going to see here. How many days of two? You need 5 days, brother. Can you check EU? Can you check EU? Sure, brother. We'll check EU quickly. I'm bullish. Definitely bullish. It's at least going to come to this green line. How are we going to get there? No fair value gap. The 5 minutes already playing out. We're definitely going to come here. Previous day high, in my opinion. Why did nothing short? Because the daily power of 3. I'll show you quickly. It's going to be London and then reversal. So London reversal right here. See London goes down, frames the reversal, comes back in, 50-minute for value gap, 50-minute inversion, comes out, takes the equal highs. From there, it's hard to say. Usually, you know, like maybe price will come back, take out that low, maybe come back, put into the fair value gap, but that's what I see. Okay, looks like New York Open is just starting to expand, like we said. Have you gotten a payout? Yeah, brother, I got in 3 so far. Why am I not bearish? Because I'm bearish because of daily power of 3. That's why, bro. See if we get the 50-minute fair value gap to form here, or the inversion. So far, only up. Been trading for about a year, brother, or just over a year. It's not a breaker, but yeah, we tapped into the hourly mitigation, tapped into the hourly order block there. Obviously, it's possible we're wrong and we reject from here, which is why I'm staying patient. What app is that? This is Tradeovate. This is a trading view. I recommend 2024 after that. And then after that, you're ready. You have enough knowledge, bro. Never trust MMS signals? Yeah, no idea what that is, bro. I've never taken signals. Putin is talking about nuclear war? Interesting. What's up, Razin? CRT 50-minute time frame. November is the worst? I'd say December is worse, but... Okay, we have this fair value gap here. Small one. Let's see. Just see. Not do anything with it. Let's just see what price does. If y'all missed this move, don't call yourself a trader. Bro, I was asleep, bro. I still feel like a trader, though. What's up, Jack Frost? Got the inversion there. Small fair value gap. Let's see if it respects. If it stays sloppy, what is a good starting point? ICT's 2022 mentorship. If it stays sloppy here and doesn't like actually go lower, then Nope, I don't see consolidation before 9:30, but I might see consolidation at 9:30, and that would still be valid for me. I'll show you exactly what I'm going to mark out once it forms. This is now your initial buy side liquidity. I'm dropping sauce from the book. Just listen, just listen, just listen. You guys will see. This is your initial buy side liquidity right now. But you have to see if price stays time distorted, then this is not valid. Right now we're just chopping. 9:30 open. This would be your 15-minute IRB. So we're gonna mark that out. That's a key high right there. Right where the new week opening gap is. I don't mind looking for, like, if we, do this, I don't mind that. I don't mind taking a long like there. We'd have to break even at the initial buy side in case we get into chop, but you didn't take those juicy longs. No, bro. I woke up approximately 20 minutes ago. Time distorted. I mean, price is waiting, right? Let's say we're correct about today, right? Let's say we know for sure that we're right, and price is going to take these relative equal highs, maybe even these relative equal highs, right? Let's say we're correct, right? Just because we're correct, it doesn't mean if we take out a low and then put a bearish or bullish fair value gap like we are right now, for example, it doesn't mean it's going to go there right away, It's possible it distorts. What I mean by distorts is it will consolidate in waiting for the right time to move. Yep, Elliot, I know what you're. I know how you feel, bro. I know, and it blocks you. Yep, trust me, I know, bro. I agree with you, Razin. Except we've already taken Pierce day high and low today, so yeah, not as clear, but I still want to see higher. Still want to see higher. You learned this recently? No, I've always knew it. This is your 9:30 accumulation right here. Time distortion? Don't worry, bro. First time I'm cooking, yeah, I know because I've been keeping that shit. But it's gonna be in the book. It's gonna be in the book. Have you reached a payout from top? I've gotten 3 payouts so far, brother. But the last 2 months have been pretty difficult for me, so see if we can turn things around. Just I guess some bad mistakes, but just mostly the price action kind of made it easy to make mistakes, Made it easy to make mistakes. How did you request the payout and how long did it hit your bank? So I messed up the paperwork actually, so I ended up taking a couple more days. But even after messing the paperwork up, it still only took like 3 days. They emailed me right away. They're like, "You messed up the paperwork." I was like, "Oh shit!" And then I just resubmitted, and payout happened like the next day. What is the yellow line? Yellow line is new week opening gap. Enter long after liquidity sweep and FEG fill. We didn't really take out much liquidity here, but this for sure could go higher, For sure could go higher. What do you think of CRT strategy? CRT works, but for me, I don't like it because it's in the wrong context. CRT is really just a power of 3. You need to understand power of 3. Man, if this is your manipulation, that would be sad. You cast the lows. I hope this distributes for you, bro. I do favor one more leg lower though, and that's why I have these projections. I do favor one more leg lower. But we'll see. How do you know when time distortion is happening? You see it. It's consolidation. I was asleep, bro. I woke up at. I don't trade before 9:30. I only start trading at 9:30. How long do they set up your? You get it the next day. You'll get your funded account the next day, bro. As soon as you pay the fee, you'll get your funded account. What's up, Ali? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Well, you gotta predict it, Dragon. You gotta predict your strong lows. You gotta predict your time distortion. And you get low resistance liquidity runs. No, you can't reset the funded, unfortunately. It looks like a grinder up. Yeah, that's what I said too, but if this was a breaker, maybe we could take it. I was expecting continuation. We didn't even get the 15-minute rebalance. I mean, we do have the 15-minute inversion now. Well, maybe. Which we can take the inversion. But yeah, so pretty much what we said. Not a clean power of 3 here. Not a clean power of 3 at all. I would still favor, honestly, one more leg lower. Just to fake people out one more time. Give a nice clean manipulation below 930. I don't think it's going to happen, though. Risky OB? I would never take this. Me personally, I would never take that. Can you list a few confluences? Man, there's a lot of confluences, bro. New week opening gaps, org, quadrants, any imbalance quadrants, time, premium discount, OTE, the actual PD arrays, any of the PD arrays, all valid. Standard deviations, New York opening prices. We take a high then dip. I would love to see a dip where I can buy back into it. But I think it's gonna happen. Like I said earlier, because it already came lower before 930. So look, I'm gonna drop the sauce real quick. I'm gonna drop the sauce. This is how I saw this. We have daily power of 3 in action. Okay, New York reversal. This is a daily power of 3 in action. Okay, it's not clean because we don't have this isn't a clean accumulation, but it's still daily power of 3, right? We're still gonna have the lower, and this is gonna be what we're looking for is the wick. Now, the only thing that unlocks this characteristic is the actual narrative that I'm telling you guys. If the narrative is not in play, then this is all incorrect. But assuming the narrative's in play, this is daily power of 3. So because we've manipulated lower in the daily power of 3 already, below midnight opening, second leg, 930 doesn't need to manipulate again. 930 is there to distribute now the positions that were already accumulated from these lows up. You think it's in a rinse? Yeah, I mean, it's possible. It's definitely possible. I think we're just going to keep going up, personally. And that's what we called out. In order to getting a trade like this, man, it's hard. The 15-minute inversion is going to be probably our best bet. Look to take the 15-minute inversion. The fact that we're trading up here is already kind of proof that. Good shit. Bottom take that. That's nice, bro. That's amazing, bro. Obviously, we could be wrong, but I'm trading 400k trade day, 550k top steps. I mean, I would always do the micros because you could manage your risk better, but that's just me. A lot of people will see this as one manipulation. Now there is another option. Is it too late to buy? Your chill guy coin. I've seen that. I don't know. I wouldn't. If you're gonna buy meme coins, I would just try to get one before it like doubles or triples. Oh, the daily range we're in discount, yeah, but this is difficult. I knew it's going higher because lower has been out. Yeah, you can keep it as simple as that, my brother. All right, 15-minute inversion. I guess if we take out a low, sorry, I meant premium. In the daily range, yep, we just entered a premium. And this is why it's getting harder and harder to long this. We got the 15-minute inversion though. We took profits on Chill Guy this morning. Hey bro, if it reaches 22, 26.18, it'll keep going. Well, we'll see. I guess we will see. Overall, I'm bullish. But obviously, you need to anticipate now that we're in a premium, 15-minute bearish fair value gap. It's possible we're wrong, you know? It's definitely possible. But it's okay to be wrong, you know? Still bullish. If something tells me otherwise, you can always switch. I only trade 9:30 to like 11:30, bro. Then I'm done. Silver bullet might be nice. I favor this macro. Yeah, mistakes are lesson, you know. Don't be afraid to be wrong, you know. Have your idea going in. You're wrong. Alright, you're wrong. Who cares, bro? No one's gonna just say you're good. You're wrong. It's okay to be wrong. 4 hour candle power of 3 bullish, you think? I think we're just gonna keep pumping, if I'm being honest, bro. If I'm being honest. I thought we were gonna pump right at 9:30. I was hoping. I didn't think so, but I was hoping for a little, maybe at least this low, something, like at least something to say we manipulated below New York Open, but we didn't. So it's not that clean. If we still, I'm still bullish. If we come here and then do this, yeah, I'll go long again. Okay, we're in potential framing a trade territory here. 15-minute inversion fair value gap. I want to see ES come down there as well. Is there a reason you stop at 11:30? New York session is pretty much over at 11:30. I'll hold trades, but I don't want to enter after 11:30. You wait 11:30 like 13:30, you probably missed the move already. Okay, we've taken some level of sell side. That's good. We are forming a 15. It's kind of risky to wait for that though. Man, this order block. I've seen better trades, but it's 2R. It's a small trade. I would take the order block to be honest. Nice, nice, nice. This is good actually. What's your bias? I'm looking for long. You know Ali Gatie? That's my brother, bro. I like that wick. Mark the 50% of the inversion 15. Are you Muslim? Yes, I am. What's up, Darcy? How to identify consolidation before it happens, like signs and price action that it might consolidate. Too in depth of a topic for me to talk on live stream, but it will be in my next book. Seeking a short before going long. I would love that. I would love to see that, bro. To be honest, market maker model. Yeah, I'm bullish. Market maker model can also tell you, yeah. Bullish breaker here will go long. Inversion on ES will go long. Take out this low S&T will go long. Any of those valid for me. Just come a little lower. Put in the S&T. Give me the inversion. We'll take a long on NAS. I love this TP here. I love it. I love that TP. Nope. Just don't enter after then. I'll hold my trade as long as I believe in it. If we get the inversion here on ES, we'll take a long on this breaker. We'll have to break even here though. If we invert on ES, even anything? No, not yet. Macro starting as well. One more leg lower. Give me one more leg lower. Yeah. Good. This is good. This is potentially good. I'll say sorry, not for sure. What is your thoughts on candle range theory? It definitely works, but for me, it's just for the wrong reason. I wouldn't teach in the perspective of candle range theory. It was taught on a marketing scheme. It's definitely just power of three. And the only times candle range theory will work is when you understand power of three. Long here is straight exit liquidity. Maybe, that's why we have to see if it forms or not. I wouldn't mind longing this BPR if it's gonna form. I also don't mind the 15-minute immediate rebalance. ES also has a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. Notice that. If we get the SMT right there, yeah, which is what we said. So bullish breaker, we go long here. If we get a bullish breaker, that will kind of confirm the idea. We'd have to start to wick now though. 50-minute is fully tapped in there. So let's see. 15. What about the 5-minute BPR? This is your 5-minute BPR right here because we went up in the range, came back, so it's getting run through right now. So unless we start to wick, looks like this low is probably gonna get taken. Stopped out. That's okay, bro. I like this potential long right here. Yeah, I like it. There's no hard time getting PD right there. Oh, 50-minute fair value gap low. Yeah, 0.2, 0.5 standard deviations. We ripped 0.7. Give me an inversion here. We'll go long. All right, let's switch over to the micro so we're ready. I need to see an inversion here. Confirm the change of state of delivery. We'll go long. If we miss, what's a BPR? It's a balanced price range. It's exactly what it sounds like. A price range with no imbalance. That's the gist of it. But I gotta focus up here, so just give me a sec. See if we get the let's say we got something like this. We're gonna have these highs. These highs. We're gonna enter on the next candle's down tick. As soon as the next candle ticks down, all right. Let's see, boys. I like the move. See what happens here. You went short. Good luck, bro. I mean, yo, I've been on a losing streak, so. Three micros long. I like the order block there. I'd want to see this form as a BPR and stay open. Stay open. What prop firm? I use Top Step and I use Top Step and my funded futures. TP is going to be at this green line. I might break even, but TP is going to be up here. I don't want to see it touch this line. This line right here. If it touches it, that shows weakness. It should immediately come up here. if we're correct. If we're wrong, then this is Asia highs. Let's see. Could get a leg lower here. It already inversed. We give it space though. 2 minutes still pretty choppy. Love the 2-minute fair value up there though. Kind of framing the trade idea. 5, 15, 5-minute BPR, 5-minute fair value gap inversion held. That's not bad. Yes, all of a sudden a little bit more bullish signatures. Same line on ES didn't get touched. Both sides of the market manipulated, low probability. Use deviation, yep. Hoping this macro can deliver for us. 950 macro. 950 macro. Market's very manipulated with tensions. Yeah, it's possible, bro. If ES inverts this, I'll probably close. Take the same trade but opposite direction. Well, so far it looks like it's going to go down, but we'll see. ES is still holding. Doesn't make sense for NAV to be trading this low, though. I mean, you have the wick here, so we shall see. We shall see. Paciencia, paciencia. Yes, patience is always good. Patience is always good. If we invert this 2-minute though, I'll probably close. Actually, I'll just let it hit the stop loss. CBA. I don't like closing early. I don't like closing my losses early. I have 2 monitors, bro. 2 monitors. I'll be back, bro. I'll see you in profit. Maybe. Yes, still respecting. Yeah, it's starting to look like high resistance. 78.6 move, still holding at resistance. Yep, you're talking about this move here? Yep, it is. We should have seen a fast displacement above these highs. Well, I guess we're kind of forming it now, but it should have been immediate. If it's going to be regular algorithmic delivery, not high resistance, you know, this is sloppy. This is sloppy, you know? Definitely sloppy. And we'll just leave the stop where it is, but definitely sloppy. Going up now. I'd only be confirmed if it can close above these highs. Like, Nasdaq's more bullish here. Why do I think it's going to go down? Just the sloppiness. It is clean above for sure. Do I think this trade specifically will play? Be a real man and trade 20 minis? I don't even think TopStep would allow that. Should I get into shorts? I wouldn't short personally. See if this can stay open. The reason I say it's sloppy is because Nasdaq is more bullish, right? Nasdaq is more bullish, but it's disrespecting the discount raise, and ES is, so that discrepancy is weird. I guess we did fail to take previous day high on Nasdaq, so maybe in the macro scheme of things, it's not a more bullish. The fair value gap didn't stay open. It's just sloppy, yeah, sloppy. How do minis work? It's just 10 times your risk on the micros. 10 times your risk. I mean, I really like that 15-minute close. 10 a.m. silver bullet. Let's see if it can deliver higher prices. Let's see if we can deliver higher prices. Your last dealing range below midnight opening price. Wait, that's not your last dealing range. Holy shit, the dealing range is crazy all the way up there. We'll have to re-enter at 10 a.m. if it forms for us. That's your 10 a.m. open. I think you will hit, fam. Maybe. Overall trend is bearish. I wouldn't say that. See if this low can take us higher. Yep, we're definitely rejecting the premium arrays right now. Definitely rejecting premium arrays. ES is back to the original fair value gap. Next pushes up. I think so too, but is our stop loss safe? Who knows? Who knows? This was a nice BPR that formed, and the fact we ran right through, we're not not like very strong. That's a really strong candle. Close below, no wick. Pretty weak. Probably a stop loss here. Each one of these moves up are lower highs. Yep, we're just engineering liquidity above. I agree. ES inverse the fair value gap there. 2, 3. It's not over, but definitely not a good trade, you know? Yes, my fund of futures is good, brother. They won't stand you as long as you don't break the rules. I almost said bearish 4-hour. I wouldn't say that wick looks bearish to me. Came to the 4-hour 50%. Why would you go long that deep into a premium? It's because I think price is gonna go up, brother. That is why. I'm also USD short if I hit to both and then I finish the first step of the challenge. Good luck, Hamza. I hope it works out for you, bro. I like the 10 a.m. candle flipping here. This being the 10 a.m. low. But you can just see how choppy it is, you know? Not a good trade regardless. Someone said I told you. I don't know what you told me. Yeah, definitely time to throwing right now, which doesn't really make sense because it's macro 10 a.m. But this move could happen later. Maybe 10:30, maybe 10:50, maybe lunch. Why you stream late? You missed the shorts? No, I didn't miss anything, bro. What did you enter off of? The inversion BPR here. It's probably SL right here. Can you explain macros? It's just a time you expect the market to move. What did you enter off besides smart money reversal? This wasn't a smart money reversal. This was a continuation trade. Accumulating more longs. It's all predictions. Bad PA? Possible. I mean, PA was pretty good until 10. If it gives me a chance to break even, I'm gonna take it most likely, but I don't think it even will. We tapped the rejection block. That's about our last PD array. How much have you made this month? $0, bro. What time do you trade live? 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Every day I'll be here, brother. We'll probably wait till 10:30 or 10:50. You guys stop? No, but I'm about to be most likely. Literally right there. A couple points. Bearish FEG S&T with YM. Yeah, I think we're going to form an inverse for the silver bullet. I don't even know if the first 30 minutes is going to be clean. You said you made 0 bread this month? I mean, from trading 0 bread, yeah. Silver bullet. How much do you blow the funded? We're on evals right now, brother. We're on evals right now. You talking about the last fundeds? Pray for a higher high? No, don't pray for a higher high. Just read the candles. You know, even if it does start to go up, it's a bad trade, you know? It's a bad trade. What could we have done better here? Besides avoiding the conditions completely, I mean, it was a good setup. I would take it again, the 15-minute FEG on ES. Like, look at ES and tell me you think it's not going to go up. ES came into a nice discount, 15-minute, rejected very strongly. Maybe that's why ES is delivering nicer. Then we want to come out, take this low. It's possible. We wait for NASDAQ to also reach a higher time frame Peter rate. I mean, NASDAQ's in the 10-minute fair value gap. There's a volume imbalance there. 30-minute. We have an inverse 30. You can't wait for the 30-minute inverse. No, NASDAQ was stronger. NASDAQ was stronger. What do you look for in a trade? I agree it's gonna go up, but I don't know if it's gonna be this trade, you know. This is technically the stronger one right now. So small fair value gap there. I'd want to see this remain unfilled. Using our entry. You're not finding right now? No, we lost the last accounts, bro. So we're on new evals. Back to stage 1. Cut the long this morning. Nice, bro. Proud of you, bro. Would you consider an A plus? What would you consider an A plus plus? A plus plus is a breaker mitigation entry from a higher time frame PDRA and discount or premium. Any break, yeah, I got 3 payouts, bro. Any breaker that formed in discount or premium during a macro or during silver bullet is probably A plus. Appreciate you keep it real. It is what it is, bro. Just here to show my journey. Have it inverse this. Yeah, that's a stop out right here. Also, intermarket SSMT with bonds on the highs, 15-minute DC. Best setups will form from a breaker reaction. Yeah, usually breaker is the best. How many trades? I'm going to take 2. So if we lose this, 1 more. If I win, maybe 1 more. We'll see. You close $50 profit on the same long? Yeah. What do you mean it's probably an A plus? It either isn't or isn't. Well, it depends on the setup. Every setup is different, bro. There's many A plus setups. The best, like, I can give you 100 A plus setups right now that I love to trade, you know? It's going to form differently every time. Are you a full-time trader? I don't make full-time income from trading, but I do, you know, I'm tempted just to... This happens a lot in my trades, you know? We get consolidated in the macro. It might be best just to close losses short here. I'm in longs, but might also cut losses. Might also cut losses, Zach. Should I exit my short from yesterday? I would, personally. I think it's going to go up here. But is it going to do so in this trade? I don't know. Fix your emotions. My emotions are fine, brother. Appreciate you looking out, though. 10 a.m. 04 silver bullet. No. This is not, I wouldn't say this is silver bullet. I wouldn't say so. Just because we formed a fair value gap in this, yeah, I might do that, Matthew, just to get out of the trade. Probably could right now. We'll give manipulation soon. Failed to inverse on ES once again. Should display soon. I don't expect a manipulation. I expect it to distribute one direction, whichever way it wants to go. Yeah, 10 a.m. power of 3, but this is not clean, guys. This is not clean. Up then down. I wouldn't say up then down. I would just say either up or down. I mean, so far we have some bullish order flow forming, which is nice, right? Respected the fair value gap, respected the wick. Still lack of displacement. Let's see if we can get a small bullish order block here. See if we can get this bullish order block. See if we can get the bullish breaker right here. See if we get some bullish order flow. Closing and entering would not be bad. What I would do is... Nah, honestly, it's pretty bad. I feel... So, Zach, it's been tough, bro. You're not alone. It's been tough. You just pray the downtime don't start? I don't do that. What would you say went wrong losing your last accounts? Definitely some mistakes in breaking rules, but for the most part, I did really good on those accounts, bro. You know, I traded really well. Not even mad. What do I think went wrong? Could have definitely like had a lot more trades to go if I didn't break any rules at all. a lot of the times we broke rules like on accident. You know, when I break rules, it's not like oh, I fucking lost my shit. I traded 10 trades. Like that's not what I mean by break rules. I mean like things in my, because I'm very picky with my entries, very specific. It's easy for me to miss one. You're right. Best thing to do is sit out. Try and bake him. We got a small order block there. Man, still failed to inverse on ES. It's not clean. Haven't gotten a clean. 4 fresh flag. That's the best thing, Zach. You're a new person now. Koala, look what happened when we entered. Look what happened when we entered. Sideways for 20 minutes. All good. I feel like I should learn from my mistakes here, you know. To me, this was clean, bro. To me, this was clean. If it's not clean for you, maybe yeah, something I don't know. To me, this is clean. I pick this every time. You don't gotta tell me. I've taken this trade hundreds of times. Do you do one-to-ones? Never. 9:30 to 12 is always a gamble. Maybe for you. You sure you're gonna close the break even? I'd have to see. No, I'd have to see these highs first, maybe. But no, it doesn't make sense to close your break even. I will reduce my stop though. Because the thing is, if we come up here, we formed a bullish breaker. We also have bullish order flow here, assuming we get the breaker. It doesn't make sense to close yet. Doesn't make sense. You know, forget about the money. Forget about the money. Does it make sense to close right now? Maybe, actually. You can make an argument. You can definitely make an argument. Need to finish by the end of the week. Just risk 500. Yeah, trade your plan. Yeah, you know, think I'll do buy to where it wants to draw to. You mean right now? Right now, probably wants to draw to your stop loss. I want to see 10 a.m. act as support. We get a 2-minute there? No. I feel you. Yo, Yep, streaming on YouTube and TikTok same time. I'm slowly trying to convert people from TikTok to YouTube because YouTube chat's pretty real. It will deliver? Maybe. Is that a volume imbalance? No. If we get a bearish fair value gap here, yeah, it's probably going to go lower. Took out the high, bearish fair value gap. You trading on live? No. You're in shorts? Nice. I would expect lower prices here. Back to the fair value gap, back to this wick, maybe, but not a good trade either way. You paper trading? This is eval. I'm on evals. We lost our last funded, so we're on evals now. Gold buy side is good. Explain mitigation block. Let's see if I can see one here. If we get a mitigation block, I'll show you here. YouTube's kind of delayed. I think YouTube's actually a little bit faster, but maybe wrong. If we get this, this becomes a mitigation block right here. High, low. Sorry, it'll be like this. If we get the bullish order block here, that would be really good. Closure above this high. Distribution will start 10:13. Maybe next 15-minute candle. Why don't you close? Trade hasn't been invalidated for me, you know? So what's your strategy buying so high in the range? The reason I'm buying, to me, I don't care where we are in the range. It's all about narrative and time, right? We had the 930 power of 3 in play. We came below New York Open. I'll show you. It's just a power of 3, you know? Just a power of 3. Why not close? Price action is so bad. Won't be bad forever. This is ridiculous. We're in longs. Sell it, bro. No, thank you. No, thank you. Listen, if you're in the trade with me and you want to sell it, go ahead, you know? I'm comfortable. If it comes back here and stops me, I'm comfortable. I don't care. I don't care. Doesn't matter. It doesn't affect me. You know? Bang? I wouldn't say bang just yet. Yeah, that wick's not good. Partial right there. Bro, I am not partialing at 0.2R. What the? Yeah, exactly what you said. It'll sell when it hits the stop loss. That's a strong wick, though. That's for sure. So, probably going to get a breaker here. If we get a bearish breaker, I'll close the trade there. Should not be forming a bearish breaker when you're in a long. If it fails to close above, why even hold? Gatie, what did I miss? Why do you trade now? Why now? 2 hours ago. I was asleep. I only trade 9:30. You're my liquidity? Nice, bro. The wick left equal highs. It did leave equal highs. Still consolidation, though. Yeah, I mean, yo, if you want, just do the opposite of me, bro. Whatever works for you guys. Doesn't matter to me. Pre-market today was nice. Pre-market was really nice today, yeah. I'm not going to be on the charts the entire morning, though. What exchange? No idea. 50-minute CB. Yeah, we did tap into the 50-minute CB there. Probably going to rip towards the downside, take out the liquidity and target the equal highs. Possible. Which case, if that happens, we'll just look for a re-entry. We did take out those relative equal lows, but markets right now. Look at the chart, bro. Have some discipline and skip today. You trade every day. It only got choppy after I entered. What's your profit? This is the only trade I've taken so far. Traded pre-market for the first time in a long time. It's obviously better. Been studying it for some time. Pre-market has been better. What was your entry reasoning? I thought we had a strong low here. Below 930 on ES. S&T. There's a 50-minute bullish fair value gap here. Trading pre-market for some. Shorting my entry again? I mean, listen, it's rejected my entry now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times, so maybe one more. Who knows? Who knows? What's the difference between trading and holding? I don't know. Very, very choppy though. It's probably waiting. This could last until 10:30 or 10:50. Yeah. Are you in a bad mood? No, I'm chilling, bro. Chilling, chilling. I mean, the chop always sucks, but there's just not much to read here. You just kind of wait, see what happens. Looking for that buy side. I mean, yeah, we did take some level of buy side here, so. How are you? I'm good, bro. I'm good. I'm excited to go back in the lab. Excited to trade. Think price is looking for the equal lows. Our stop loss is at the current hourly low. So if it goes there, it's a good chance it'll flip. Let's look at the hourly right now. It still doesn't know. So this is the candle we're trading. Didn't bearish breaker just form? No, no. Is it a bearish breaker? Yeah, it is a bearish breaker. You're right. We didn't get a closure below the relative equal lows, so. At a volume imbalance. I don't want to see us get above that volume imbalance. You might get caught in the manipulation leg. Same. Didn't breaker. This is the bearish breaker, yeah. But it's not clean because we slept these relative equal lows. It seems like whatever P rate forms now, it doesn't really matter. You're just going to have to wait for displacement either direction. I don't think anything here is valid in terms of holding price. If it comes to the hourly low again, when it comes to the hourly low, probably not going to reverse. It's possible, but I wouldn't expect it to. We do have a small hourly fair value gap right here on ES, actually. So, I mean, I'd at least expect it to go there. Yeah, at least. Why'd you put stop loss at equal lows? Put my stop loss at the rejection block that invalidates this order block. Order block. Give me a strong candle. 1019 doesn't make sense. I don't want to close the trade. Could break even at these highs. I just realized I didn't even set my stop loss on these other accounts. Hold on. Just a wick every time. Wicking high, small range, 70 points, no TE, hard time. Yeah, this is bad. Why are you bullish? What's this? This is NASDAQ. I was bullish approximately 25 minutes ago. Currently, sorry, 28 minutes ago. Currently still bullish, but not clean. Yeah, CE wick, premium array. That's for sure. Closed above the rejection block though, but still a wick. But like I said, I wouldn't expect. The only thing you need to look at here is highs and lows. Forget the PD arrays. Market is not running for inefficiency here. Why not leave the trade, do its thing, already played it's knowing the risk here, micromanaging. You've got to micromanage. You gain information every single candle, bro. You have any mentors? Just ICT on YouTube. Immediate rebalance. I like this if it can deliver higher. ES, ES finally inverted that small fair value gap, or this fair value gap that's been inside for like 5 hours. We'll go for a daily gap. That's what I was thinking too, Richard. There's a reason they're watching right now. None of them made shit. I could never go live and read chat. Appreciate you, dudes. Appreciate you. Are you trading live? No, but I don't have a live account. Not sure what's happening. I think we can definitely get here. Do I think it'll do it in this trade? Maybe, maybe not. Still bullish though. Because, I mean, think about it like this. If we were going to reject here, I feel like we would have done so. The fact we put in a strong low 10 a.m. You know, yeah, I mean, if we start running here, like we'll run to the highs. I was thinking about closing at 2R, but yeah. Yeah, accumulation is mad. This has been very typical. This is what happened pretty much when we blew the accounts. Every time we entered, we went sideways for like 30 minutes plus. You know? This is looking aggressive. You expected? I expected to go bullish too, but yeah, I've gotten 3 payouts, brother. You caught longs before open. Nice, bro. Nice. I personally don't trade before open, but if you do, yep, today was really clean. It's been pretty clean on open. Rejecting 10 a.m. on this last displacement leg. What's your biggest payout? Just 2K USD. Blow on screen. Spend half of whatever you make today? Bro, weren't you the guy saying that I was your liquidity? A lot of expansion happened in London session. Yep, definitely high resistance. What firm? Top Step. Top Step. What prop firm is easy? All of them are pretty much the same. I don't think this is, I don't know, we'll see. We just have to wait and see at this point. There's no point in trying to predict. This time is probably great for Wyckoff traders. No idea what that is. You took the short off my entry? Nice, nice. That's funny. Not optimal. You're definitely not optimal. Appreciate you, Christian. Appreciate you. Dragon doesn't like the TikTok chat. Yeah, a lot of TikTok trolls in here. Coming below 10 a.m. with that body is not a good sign. We should make a rule where, like, if it takes 5 minutes or something, just get out. This is happening too often. If you guys saw my journal, explain why you take the trade. I'll explain the trade after. How about that? Took a CFTC. No, I took the inversion BPR here. How do I join UG? Mitchell knows, bro. Like, I need to do something about this because every time I enter, it gets so choppy, bro. Like, not just regular chop, like 30 minutes plus. We had the 15-minute bullish fair value gap. We had the SMT, macro, 10 a.m. distribution coming in, strong low of day, bullish order flow leaving this open, clean inversion on the 15. This PA is unhealthy for my brain and my account. We could just get out. We could just get out, you know? Targeting Asia. Every candle that's like just messes with your emotions. Like you like, oh wait, this might actually go up. And then the next candle and then the next candle comes. I don't even know where to put my standard deviations here. ES took the high there. I'm gonna get out here, guys. I'm gonna get out here. ICBA. We put in the SMT. It is what it is. Because I don't have a rule for how long take partials, nah, I'm just gonna get out there, bro. I'll wait for 1030, wait for 1050. Nah. All the guys saying you are my liquidity. Cryptic, this happens every single day, brother. Don't even stress. You would have held? Nah, it doesn't make sense to hold. Doesn't make sense to hold. You can always re-enter. It's gonna fly now. I'm okay with that, you know? I'm okay with that. I'm okay if it goes without me, you know? We put in the SMT there at the highs. I said I was going to break even if we took those highs. We don't need to come here today. We don't need to come here in this session. So, have you tried meme coins? XRP count? Where did you enter? Entered here. So, executions, I don't know. Did we make profit there? 4 points. $14. Watch us get bullish order flow. That's fine. You know, I don't even care. Are you strict stocks? This is NASDAQ futures. The 930 Judas sauce. The 930 Judas sauce, huh? Yep, I trade Forex too. Good shit, Ethan. That's great, bro. It formed a valid order block. It looks like we might get bullish order flow here. That's okay, though. That's okay. I don't mess with this. What happened? Close the trade and 4 points, like pretty much break even. What is Turtle Soup? Turtle Soup is buying below old lows, selling above old highs. I still think price is going to come here. At least. We can always trade it. We can always re-enter, you know? Okay, Koala. What's your entry model? I have a lot of entry models, bro. Most of the time, I'm entering on a fair value gap with a limit order, or I'm entering a market on an inversion. We on premium? Yes, we are in a premium. The market can still go up. Damn, Ryan, that's amazing, bro. Let's see how this plays out. Too choppy for me. I said it's okay, Koala. It's okay, it's okay. 2 minute, yeah, no, it's not worth the hold. Good for shorts. Why did you break even? It's too choppy. You don't think price is gonna move. I want to avoid time distortion. So I'll look for a re-entry, maybe 30-minute power of 3. TikTok nicer, they're affecting. Nah, they're not affecting me. Don't worry, bro. I'm used to this. These guys are here every day. Conditions like this, I'm always gonna break even if we take the buy side. Let's see if it pumps here. We can maybe get 30-minute power of 3 still. 1030. Wait, next candle's 1030. But we can buy this fair value gap potentially. Told you be bullish? I was bullish too, bro. Still bullish. Yeah, I like this. I like this actually. Why don't you just trade on Discord and a voice chat? I like trading on YouTube and TikTok. I do have a large Discord though. Time distortion shows strength and continuation. So you can. You're still in the trade. Nice, nice, nice. This gap should stay open. Yes, it should. We'll take the next gap if it forms. 1030 power of 3 potentially. Let's see how low we go below 1030. This would have been TP1. Not that I wouldn't have closed here, but like target one. Went to gym. Is it before I just closed it? Oh, that's so sad, bro. This guy was ready to lock the hell in, and then that happens. So if I was in the trade still, I would have put my stop loss here. Break even from this foolish fair value gap that formed. I like the 1030 power 3. These equal highs. These equal highs and a little plus. 1 minute fair value gap there. I have to wait and see how this reacts, but I might take this. I'll take the 2 minute maybe. I like the 1030 power of 3. Yep, we closed break even. Might look to re-enter though. On the 2 minute fair value gap. Could take this order block. 2 minutes stays open. I'll have to wait and see if it comes there. I don't know if I'll even give an entry. Yeah, I would. I don't regret closing. We had an SMT at the time, like this. So, yeah. 30-minute power of 3. 30-minute is the hourly candle in regular trading hours. There's your order block entry. We could take this as a continuation, but I'll look at the 2 minute and I'll trade it if it gives an entry. Yeah, if the 2 minute gives me an entry, I would have entered long here. Yeah, the equal highs TP Elliott. Yeah. Which one's your favorite? Power of 3, for sure. Everything's power of 3. That is a very nice push. Yeah, let's see if we can 3 minute fair value gap there as well. 2 minute, 1 minute. Maybe we can take this candle here. It's not good. It's not good risk reward anymore. Oh yeah, nice win versus 15. Yep, yep. Tap this wick. It is what it is, you know. We closed it. It went up. You can enter. Nah, I won't enter more. Yeah, I'm not gonna force this. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. Yeah, we closed. Yep, we closed. While you closed, the chop, 30 minutes of time distortion. There was S&T at the highs. I told you not to sell. Oh, I should have listened to you, bro. Using 4 micros, I would have had to close the trade early. SL under those order blocks. Yep, I'd put them under, but no, too late now. Too late now. I don't enter. If I enter now, I'm breaking rules. The fair value gap, not breaking rule. Entering now just because there's an order block. That's not clean. It just happened. Oh, cool. Yeah, we were fine. Totally valid, bro. Totally good, guys. That is a 2-minute. We left those high. Did ES take the highs? Because if ES 30 pound. Take care, Darcy. Appreciate you coming, bro. Sharing all the insight. Did you lose? Nope. Break even, bro. A valid close could go either way. The fact that it got choppy, yeah, it could end this market maker model and stop here. Still have 1050 valid close. Trade for and kick out the rather than macros. Oh, that's what happened, Elliot. What's your main TP? Main TP was here. Asia highs plus some, a little bit higher. Where can it go above Asia highs? Here, maybe previous day high. Yeah, this is it right here. I think we can get here for sure. This fat green line that I just drew. Doesn't need to. Doesn't need to, but I think it will. If it came down to the 2-minute, it shouldn't come down though. Bullish order flow now. Can you mark your previous entry? I'll show you the executions. We entered here. We got out here. It's unfortunate. It just kept going up. We could have held it, but my friend Tim said sorry. It's okay, bro. It is what it is, Ali. It is what it is, you know? TP at 1 hour highs. It depends where you entered. What's your risk to reward? It makes full sense to close here. If you want to close there, that's totally okay, bro. You can close there. What crypto coin should I start with to buy and sell? I don't know. This gap was institutional. Yeah. It is our first bullish gap too. Just didn't trust the SMT, you know? Obviously SMT is not valid, but the fact that Nasdaq didn't immediately go there. Where's Palantir going on from here? No idea, bro. It's too expensive for me to buy though. There's your TP1. Did you get in off? Did you get in off 1 minute? I got off in the 1 minute, yeah. The 1 minute inversion here. TP, thanks, bro. I'm glad you guys got TP. Eliminate FOMO, practice the discipline. Yep, 100%, bro. Then breaker respects. I mean, we did form a bearish breaker. We didn't really get the bullish breaker that clean. I mean, I guess we got it right here. This is actually a unicorn, so I guess we could have seen that. Still, I don't regret closing. Nope, I did not hold. What's a unicorn setup? It's when there's a breaker aligned with a fair value gap. Where are all these trading experts? Your framework was fire, bro. Did you hold? I didn't hold out, bro. We did not hold out. I was looking for a re-entry. I wanted to get the re-entry right here. Did not get it. And then it went. Can you mark it up? So this is your breaker block. Low. I mean, it's just confusing. Let's see if we can go to the 2 minute. Yeah, it's going to have to be the 1 minute. This is your fair value gap here. Your breaker block is low, high, lower low, higher high. You think it's going to short off? I think it's going to shoot up the TP. I think it's going to keep going up till like 11 probably, if I had to make an assumption. But if I was in the trade, I would 100% be break even now. It shouldn't come below this low here. Yes, liquidity sweep can make you profitable, sure. That's a day be good, bro. God, I found you. ICT student gem. Appreciate you, bro. That is exactly what we are, you know. How does it work? When you make an order, how much money you're putting in? You're putting in margin, so you done for the day? Might trade PM session. in the Discord with the homies. But for this session, yeah, don't see how I can possibly get in here. Like the 5 minute is a stretch now after taking the buy side. How do the margins work? You basically enter based on how much you have in your account, and good risk management for $1. Risk 25 cents, bro. Anything less is pointless. I feel like bro. Do you guys want to see my journal? What it looks like? Like, you'll laugh. This doesn't even look bad compared to how my journal looks like in my last trades. The second I enter, bro, 45 minutes, hour consolidations. Like, it's been tough the last 2 weeks. Yeah, show us your journal. Everyone wants to see. Shit, I'll show. Oh, damn, everyone actually wants to see. All right, we'll show the journal. Let me answer the last couple. I think we're good. The YouTube just disconnect. Well, yeah, we took the buy side there. 4-hour bearish. Could expect a retracement here, and we leave those highs. 1040 reversals, pretty unlikely. Retest the entry. Someone said odd USD. I marked out this level because I thought it was going to come here. Now, I look for potential shorts. Maybe this 4-hour can inverse. Maybe we get a break around the 4-hour. It's not that clean. Last time someone asked me, I drew this line out, right? I didn't draw this line in front of you. It's probably going to come here for the weekly immediate rebalance. It did. I would have taken this long. Now I'd probably wait for the daily candle to close. If we inverse, maybe we can go higher. Maybe we can get here. Let's see what's happening here. I mean, 5-minute fair value gap, 1-minute inversion, 1050 macro. Would I take this redistribution? $10.42. Lower time frame breaker there. Trading on my funded futures and Top Step. I like the fair value gap that's down there though. Would I take this inversion? I'm hesitating. I think this is gonna go up. It's gonna go up all the way. But we hesitated. Are you done for the day, bro? No, I learned so much watching your live stream and studying your content. Appreciate you, bro. I'm not assessing the fake out. It's liquidity for you to repeat every day. Yes, it does. It's hard to identify every day, but it does repeat every day. Every day there's a power of 3. It's unavoidable. It's the one thing they cannot hide from you, brother. Unless it literally opens in just one direction the entire day. It's pretty rare though. That doesn't usually happen. We could go for a PDCT entry model here. Let's see if we tap the 1 minute. If we start to wick on the on the 1 minute, we could maybe go long here. A little bit early, 10:45, a little bit early, but 15-second, I like this maybe. Let's see. Can you show the power of 3 again? Yes. See, the power of 3 is going to be in my book. And that book is going to have everything you could ever imagine. I think we take this buy. I'm in this buy, guys. Super low risk. If this candle flips, we're inside of a 15-second bearish fair value gap. But I like this, I think. I like this. I like taking a super small risk trade here. Let's see. Where do I buy this book? It's in my Discord. It's not out, and it's most likely going to be free. Going into the 1050 macro. Maybe this was FOMO. But it looks like a redistribution to me. TP here. Look at that line, bro. CRT works just for the wrong reason. CRT is a power of 3. I wouldn't put manipulations here. Still a redistribution. FOMO? Maybe. I like the redistribution. I like how we came down, inverse fair value gap, BPR, bottom tick. Really good risk to reward. Didn't break any rules. But sometimes it's better to sit out and avoid your rules. See if we get the order block. I like this as a redistribution. Quarterly theory is something special. I studied quarterly theory. Personally, I didn't like it. You're in the same trade. Yeah, give us a nice B. This trade's a nice B. ES is about to tap into the fair value gap. Let's see if it plays. Some people think that ink trading is not that. I think it's going to keep printing. Me too. Could definitely go back down into the range. It could. That's what it kind of did already here, right? We have the 5-minute. Definitely a scalp. 5-minute left open, 1 tick. ES definitely more bullish. We do have the 10-minute open. It definitely go back down, yeah. But if it does, yeah, it is what it is, bro. The way Day teaches it is odd. Maybe the way Day teaches it is odd. But yeah, I've only studied it the way Day teaches it. I've done some theory crafting myself. But 4-hour power of 3? What do you mean 4-hour power of 3? If our stop loss can stay safe for the macro, then we should pump up in the macro here. Yeah, we're in, yeah. Check gold. I'll have to check after, brother. We're in a trade right now. Well, why does it consolidate every time we enter? Like, very clean move. In the range, out the range. And then chop. Why you keep buying? I think it's going to go up. How do you not urge to size up bigger? Managing my risk. Maybe getting rejected 50% of that wick. This wick, yeah, possible. $4 CB. I still think it's going to go up, even if we lose this trade. But I'm not going to re-enter. If we lose this, it's done. I should see speed above these highs. Like a quick distribution of these positions. But that's how you can know if it's a reaccumulation or not. Oh, the swing high wick? No, I think we definitely take this high out. At least on one of the assets. 50K accounts. You in longs? We are in longs. We could break even here and just accept that it wasn't the best trade and fuck it. I'm gonna break even because I feel like part of me entered because FOMO. 6 lots. And it should just continue up either way if it's gonna work. We could get wicked out on the break even, but we'll let this go. TP is gonna be Asia highs. If you tell my phone what time frame. Always gonna enter on the 1 minute. Can you show me how to identify the Baker structure and change of character? Because man, those two really don't get it. Sure. I don't use those terminologies, but it's all the same. I think you question yourself too much. Maybe, possible. I'm not sure exactly what you mean, but yeah, maybe. 2 minute made rebalance there. Oh, right here. Oh no, right here. Tapped into the 2 minute order block. Let's see if it can hold. I'd expect this wick to hold, but we'll find out. And oh, not out yet. Not out just yet. And done. I'm still in on this account actually. That's weird. Strategy. My strategy. Damn, I wish the reason I'm not answering these questions about power of three and strategy because I'm working on something of me putting everything into the works and it will take some time for me to I can't just give it all out right now. It's too much information. I can't just tell you my strategy. What's it called? It's my strategy. Gems is what I call it. Gems. Gatie's execution morning strategy. It's the recipe. Did you get stopped? On this account, I got stopped. On this account, I did not get stopped. So this is still going. Like some bullish delivery here. Simplify the strategy. My strategy is simplified for me, brother. But it's not about this. It's not about entering the market. It's about. It's about Oops. It's not about entering the market. It's more about understanding the narrative and time behind it. That's the difficult. What prop? I'm using my fund of futures and I'm using Top Step. After this, I'll show you guys the journal. At least we were right about the bias now. So 2 days in a row. Yeah, we should keep track of our bias. Someone should keep track. So far, 2 for 2 in terms of the last 2 days. What sorts you were learning? ICT on YouTube. It's about to happen right now. I think 1050 macro should pump. It's unfortunate we got literally stopped out to the exact tick, but it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Yeah, we'll probably hold this through lunch. Okay, what do I want to talk to you guys about? Okay, first things first, everyone who's watching on TikTok, I know we have 150 people here. Let's see if this order block supports price. There's the order block. I think this candle will flip green. Where's 930 open? Hold on. -2 standard deviations from 930 power of 3. Wait, is this the high? Yeah, it is. We hit the -2 there. Propulsion candle, hopefully. A propulsion would be nice, yeah. How long did it take you to be profitable? Break even available. Yep, we're break even on this account. Yeah, yeah, it did quala. I actually got stopped out on this account, even though it was the same stop loss. Trading micro Nasdaq. Listen, everyone who's on YouTube, I appreciate you supporting me coming every day. The journey's been a long journey. It's gonna be even longer than this. If I have a Trade of 8 top step and I have a top step X, will that Trade of 8 account be nope, it won't be available on top step X. We love you more than you love us. Fucking love you, cookie, bro. Like cookie, one day, bro, I'm gonna give you a cookie, bro. That's what I really want in life, bro. Your lowest low at 10 a.m. Yeah, probably SL here in profit. I'm just waiting for this trade to end so I can what happened? We got stopped in slight profit, so $12 and then plus whatever this is gonna be if it forms. We took out a sell side level on ES. Yeah, our stop loss is respecting the order block so far. But how long you been trading? Just over a year. You owe me one. I owe you one, bro. I'll remember, bro. You and your cookie, bro. I got you. I got you. I got you. Don't worry. Chill to stop here a bit. You think it's about to short? I'm break even on a long. I think we're gonna continue higher. Still, we're gonna continue higher, in my opinion. Are you in short? Nope, we're in longs. Did you catch a long? No, brother. I only trade after 9:30, so if there is any move pre-market, just know I did not catch it. How long did it take for you to bring? I mean, I got my first payout 3 months in. But I wouldn't compare yourself to me because I was on that shit. Within those 3 months, I had over like hundreds of backtested trades with the same model, and I've watched all of ICT 2022 and 2016. So I was pretty good at reading the price. I was pretty good at reading price, and I had my model. Just traded the 2022 model. That's it. All right. So for everyone on YouTube, I appreciate you guys. We're not gonna end the stream yet. We were right about the bias. That's what I'm happy about mostly. We could have predicted this time distortion. Again, we're still improving on that. We also maybe could have trusted our stop loss here in the time distortion. Understanding that it's not gonna come here. It's just gonna continue to consolidate. I struggled with that still sometimes. So the fact that it's rejecting there makes me want to close. But whatever, we're break even. So we could have improved there. Obviously, we knew today was going to be likely high resistance. This is high resistance. Bullish order flow came in right when we closed. Pretty unfortunately, I'd say psychology, we did pretty good though. Considering the fact we held a trade for 45 minutes, got stopped out in break even, and then it pumped. We identified this redistribution, didn't break any rules on this. I'm more than happy trading the redistribution. This is what I'm talking about, redistribution, but I mean buy side is when you expect continuation. Maybe some people say it's a breakout. It's all about the higher time frame, right? Also understanding the macro, understanding the hourly candle closing bullish. It's going to close near the high. Then you can short the high of day? Probably not. What is low resistance liquidity run? LR. It's like, think about this. If you have a bunch of highs here, right? Look at all these highs. Low resistance liquidity run would just be like bullish order flow taking out these highs. It should be easy. It shouldn't be like this. See this? This is high resistance. We're struggling, like literally, like it's like viscous. Like we're struggling to move up. You know, that's high resistance. You want to target engineer liquidity, yes. What's the PS? PB you mean? PB is propulsion block. Low of day on. Nope, I'll have to check that out, Darcy. What was your last crypto trade? I bought some XRP yesterday. Does that count? What do futures mean? I would just search that up, bro, to be honest. You'll find a better answer. Just ask ChatGPT. Are you bearish? No. We're in longs. Stop loss is not that safe, but it could go higher. Doge? Bullish until proven otherwise, brother. XRP? Yeah, I bought some XRP because it looks pretty good. Getting some large candle right now. So this is your mitigation block. High. Sorry, let's do it from here. Low, high, lower, low, high, higher, low, higher, high. What's your buy-in price for what? XRP? Shit, I don't even know. What's sad is I had some at 0.2 and I sold it for some other coin, and then it went higher. And I bought it back. Ever trade options? Nah. I trade stocks though. Bring the stop to the mitigation low. Keeping this one tight because it's already a premium trade. I'm okay, bro. I already have my strategy, Hakeem. But if it works for you, bro, I'm proud of you, bro. Stick to it. Make it happen. You know? Look at this beautiful reaction we're going to get off the mitigation block high. Just full port low cap meme stocks. At least one will hit. I'm not good at that doing that stuff. Let's get $3 hopefully. On XRP, that would be nice. That would be nice. Slowing down here. I think it'll maybe, like, it'll get here probably around, it's possible we get very bullish order flow right now. It's also possible it doesn't get there. And the third possibility, I'd say around 11:30. 11:30, maybe 11:45. 11:30 to 11:45. Let's see a move higher from this order block and mitigation block. That's a perfect tick delivery. Like, I like that. I like that delivery there. So stop loss is plus 11 points. It's only covering 2 PD rays, not this wick. Have you heard of Dogeland Mars? No idea what that is, bro. It also could just close it at that high, which is 2R. Let's go full TP. It's not the best trade. It's like a B, but maybe. What I want to tell you guys on TikTok who are listening to me right now, we go live on YouTube as well. This is my YouTube chat. Every single day we're live on YouTube. I'm trying to convert, not all of you. Some of you are trolls and you're here just to, I don't know, troll me. You can stay in TikTok. Don't come over to YouTube, please. But for those of you who aren't trolling me, for those of you who are just trying to, whether you want to learn from my mistakes, my stuff, see another perspective, you can't afford YouTube, bro. YouTube's free, bro. This guy talking about this guy's trolling, bro. Don't come. You stay, bro. How about that? No, I'm just kidding. But for those of you, I encourage you to come over to YouTube because I can send links in the YouTube chat. I can, where I'm posting videos, I can notify the Discord will be notified every day automatically. So you can just click the link. You'll never miss a stream. You can turn the notifications on. So I recommend you guys, if you're real with it, come over to YouTube. It's the exact same live stream. If you're a troll, totally fine, bro. I don't even mind that you stay. Just don't come over to YouTube because I'll ban you right away. So if you want to troll in TikTok. don't troll on YouTube. You're gonna get banned instantly, you know. So SMT at the highs right now. I would have wanted to seen some like a larger move up. See if ES can take out that SMT. How do you make it show the tick, not the dollar? You gotta do that in settings. So for me to say the dollar up here, looks like we're getting some nice expansion. So maybe the next 5 minutes we get up here, that'd be nice. Right now, they'll come here to troll you. If you're gonna come from TikTok to my YouTube just to troll, don't bother. You know, like you'll get banned. Just troll on TikTok. At least there I don't really care who's on TikTok. How much do you need to start day trading? What is TP at? Asia highs. High of day. And realistically, I'll probably, like this is, if I'm going to be honest, this is where I would take off 4 and then leave a runner. -3 standard deviations or something. Maybe the runner here. Maybe I'll do 3 and 2. 3 and 2, trail to stop, something like that. I don't know. We'll see. We broke the SMT there. Could get a pullback now. See if we can just finish out this macro with bullish order flow. Volume and balance. You don't need that much, bro. I would just get a funded account, you know? Funded accounts are pretty cheap. Could put the stop loss here. Yeah, let's put the stop loss here. Nah, let's put it where it makes sense. Whatever. If we get stopped, who cares, bro? I was gonna say secure some profits, but who cares about the profits? Should do what makes sense. And we'll put it at that order block mitigation low. 2-minute time frame should be pretty clean, yeah. There's your order block. There's your propulsion block. You could put it at the propulsion block low. You know, if it's bullish order flow. Yeah. Especially if we take this high. Yeah, we'll keep it at the propulsion block low. Yeah, you don't need that much, but like I said, what's good, Eminence? We're doing good. For those of you on TikTok who are not trolls, come over to YouTube. It's the same stream. YouTube's a little bit more serious, so I'm trying to convert more serious people from TikTok to YouTube, and YouTube's where all my brothers are at. Getting closer and closer to TP. We have 2 minutes left in the macro. Link to my YouTube. Like, see, can't even send links. It's just GatieTrades on YouTube. It's GatieTrades on every social media. But yeah, GatieTrades on YouTube. Come through. Would I ever close it here? This is a 50K account. This is this is 2 50K accounts. And I also have another 150K account. Unfortunately, we got stopped out here, break even though it was the same stop loss. It is what it is. Topside Burks in Canada? Yes, Topside Burks in Canada, brother. You converted from TikTok? What's up, Lippy? Welcome to World of Real People. I just subscribed, man. I've been looking for Trader. I'm happy you pooped up on my TikTok, bro. Nobody pooped up on your TikTok, bro. All right? Let's get that straightened out here. We have a pretty solid candle coming in here. There is a volume imbalance on the 4 minutes. Yeah, some wicks. So maybe a stop out here, which is totally fine. Are you learning the basics of trading? I think I'm pretty past that stage, brother. All right, and let's put it 1 tick of where it should be. The full imbalance bill there. This imbalance, stop loss is at the low of it, plus 1 tick. So let's see. Who knows? Right, it should be right there. Secure 20 points. Rose holding with 0 plan. Like, see, this guy, you don't come to YouTube, bro. You just stay. You just stay where you are. Everyone else, though, come through to YouTube. Yeah, man, found you while I was pooping. Oh, that's what you meant. That's okay. That's funny. That's funny. I'm working on something and we're out there 20 points, which is fine. Because we took a premium entry. I always trail my stops on premium entries. Don't mess around with that. So some break evens. You should take one trade. We took 2 trades. I still think it'll go up there. Not gonna trade it. Already, difficult-ish day. We were right about where price was gonna go. That's what really matters. Yeah, that's what really matters, So we're 2 for 2 in terms of that, and I mean we're up on the account a little bit, but again, don't care too much about the P&L. That's why you left just half your profits on the table. Nice strategy. Thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Dylan Stack. Dylan Stack. How many fund did it take you to get your first payout? How many times did I get funded before my first payout? I think it was my second funded I got a payout. First funded, I tilted, lost everything in one day. Second funded, I fixed up, got the payout. Good call, thank you. How do you stay disciplined? I always lose weaker profits in one day. It's gonna definitely take time. Discipline, for one, is not gonna be built inside the charts. It's gonna be built outside the charts. Can you tell me your analysis on AUS USD? Sure, bro. Why not? This? No, not this. Contracts. On a 50K combine, I risk 300 per trade. On the funded, I risk 150 per trade. 2 trades a day max. I'm subscribed. Oh, to show you the tick count. I got you. I thought you figured it out, bro. I told you it was in settings. Settings. Privacy. Nope, not privacy. Charts data. Chart value display type. Ticks, percent, points, dollar. Ooh, I like points. But yeah, you can do ticks. I like ticks. I personally like ticks. You can do the same thing on TradingView if you want. You're out already? Yeah, I took the profits there. Macro's over. Not going to hold this. Already took a premium entry. I always trail my stop on premium entries because it's just avoiding mistakes, It's avoiding mistakes. You could be wrong, right? This could reverse from premium back into the range, equilibrium, go back up. Like, it's possible, So why hold the trade with that hanging over your head? In my opinion, it's not worth it. Trail the stops on shittier trades or just avoid them completely. Me personally, I don't mind taking the trade, but I always trail the stop in premium entries. Kata OG long, nice trade, brother. 100 points, 90 points. That's really good, DJ. Just subscribe, man. Appreciate you for the subscription. Everyone on TikTok, I'm also live. Oh, we got an ice cream cone. Someone give me an ice cream cone. That's sick. If you're on TikTok and you're not a troll, come over to YouTube. The YouTube family is real. TikTok, there's a whole bunch of trolls. I'd rather reply to the people on YouTube if I'm being honest, but I'll reply to everyone as much as I can. That's that. There was a couple questions people asked me that I missed. So ask away. I'll stay live for a couple minutes. What's your YouTube channel? My YouTube channel is GatieTrades. I'm GatieTrades on every single platform except Telegram. I don't have a Telegram. And I've been trading for just over a year, bro. Just here to show my journey. If you want to stay tuned, I have a lot of information to offer. I don't claim to be the best trader. I'm still improving. I've gotten 3 payouts. Still have a long way to go, in my opinion. But I'm really good at reading price. Really good at predicting where it's going to go. My biggest weakness is probably just executing, I guess. Ain't no way, bro. Still looking for trades. I just took profit on my last trade, brother. So we're done for the day now. So we're 1 win, 1 break even. Did you cash in? We caught 1 small win, 20 points. Nothing crazy. So to me, that's break even. Just don't use stop loss. Don't do that. Starting with 500 weekly. How much for each payout? A total 3,000 US in payouts, bro. Total 2,000 US in payouts. All from Top Step. All were at the beginning of the year. And now what's AUS USD, bro? I mean odd USD probably. Okay. Oh, wait, I already. Hold on, let me go back here. This is BXY, MNQ. Just make sure my charts are good. I'm pretty OCD when it comes to these things. And that's GBP. Nice. Looks like we're coming up to this. Daily, weekly. Oh yeah, weekly media rebalance. We already talked about this. I would wait for the day to close and go from there. I would wait for the day to close. Like where I would have went long is here. It would have been hard to catch that. I wouldn't have caught that though. We need more of this? Yeah, man. I mean, at the end of the day, if I'm being honest, I'm not really here to impress anybody. I don't really care. Trading is always going to be number one for me. Number two will be all the other stuff, you know? So I'm just here to show my journey. The best way to learn about PA, in my opinion, is ICT's lectures. Do you deposit into your checking account? Yes, brother. Right into my bank account. Right into my bank account. GBP expect a rerun or return. How many funded accounts you got with TopStep? Right now, I don't have any fundeds, bro. We lost our last fundeds. Working on 3 evals right now. Tesla back under 333. Go into old moves and see how they would fit your model. Yep, that's forward testing. It's always good to forward test. We're going to learn about taxes at the end of the year. It's not too difficult. You just need to add up all the money you've made that you're going to claim. You should claim it all. 150Ks? No, 50K still. Still on the 50K level. Could get the 150Ks. I like the 50Ks. I feel like it's better. Tesla. Okay, Tesla. Answer the Tesla question. I've been keeping my eye on Tesla. I wouldn't buy at this price though. I'm just gonna have to make another tab here, I think, because I don't want to change those tabs. I invest in stocks all the time. I'm actually 41-0 or like 31-0, like some crazy number above 30 in terms of stocks. Mind you, I don't ever close them if it's in negative. I'm not saying I enter it, it goes up every time. I hold that shit. For the most part, we've been right. I wouldn't even touch Tesla right now. Too expensive for me. Yeah, no way. Bullish? Yes, great question, bro. Why was I bullish today? I got you. I feel like a lot of people were bearish. I'll tell you why I was bullish personally. And you can see it's still making higher highs. So yeah, like I said, unfortunately, we got stopped out to the tick, huh? Our stop loss was literally right there, 1 tick below. 1 tick below this, so like we literally got stopped out like right there. Still pumping. Shoot, plus 30 points. Yeah, it is what it is. You know, we said it. Our stop loss wasn't safe. We kept it there anyways in profit because it was premium. But you can see we know where price is going. We called this out at the beginning of the day. It's coming here, right? I also said 11:30, so maybe a little bit. It's gonna come a little bit earlier. We were wrong about that. I got here from Discord. Great break there. Keep it up there. Appreciate you, bro. Why I was bullish? The most simplistic reason is power of 3, right? Accumulated here, only went down, left relative equal highs. We came into a key level. You're still in from the initial, and then we took previous day low, brother. Taking previous day low, leaving relative equal highs, strong move up after. This low is now strong. This is your strong low, right? How did I trust this? Now, again, in hindsight, like this is the kind of stuff that messes with my mentality. Like, you know, in the past, I hold these trades. You know, like my first entry was right here. First entry was right here. Now, obviously, we could have just held the trade. In hindsight, this is hindsight. We could have just held this the entire day, and we probably would have hit a full TP, and this would have been 4 or 5 micros, I think. And that would have been half the account there, but we didn't because we got chopped up. I'm not gonna sweat about that too much, but this was the original trade. I guess we could have trusted the time distortion. I still have more crafting to do when it comes to that. Still holding more micro from pre-market. Damn. Why was I bullish? Previous day low swept, strong displacement up, 830 manipulation. This framed the reversal, and then we continue to pump at 930. We called out everything. We called out price coming here. We called out this low not getting touched. I said it could come into the rejection block, but unlikely because of the displacement. I said the 15-minute was going to inverse at the first 15 minutes. I said 930 was going to pump. We weren't going to get significant displacement. 930 was right here. This is all we got below 930. I wanted a little bit more, to be honest, and then I would have entered here, but it didn't happen. Didn't get retracement correct bias. There you go, brother. And then we called out the pump. Obviously, we closed the trade a little bit early, but not a little bit early. But you can't be mad, you know? It could have been 2 losses. Instead, it was 2 small wins. Take it. Walk away with it. After Asia highs, probably move back into the range. Can't tell you how much, though. Could go a little bit above Asia highs, right? It could go here. This was actually technically the final TP. But Asia highs would have closed the majority of my position there. Couldn't find a single setup with my strategy. That's okay, bro. I'm glad that you waited. I mean, I don't know if you waited, but I hope you did. That's all that matters. Waiting for a shift in direction. I wouldn't expect so until these longs are distributed towards these highs. Wouldn't expect so. Futures or options, what's the difference? With futures, you are trading future contracts. With options, you're trading options. I'm joking. It's not that big of a difference. Futures is more, how can I say this? More precise. I don't know if options have electronic trading hours. There's not too much of a difference in terms of PA. Like, it's going to be the same. The futures doesn't have exactly. They don't have those Greeks, you know? The price changes are based on option Greeks. With futures, there's no Greeks, right? It's just whatever you call it. I think it's algorithmic. Some people think it's buying and selling, whatever you want to think it is. I'm not going to go into that right now. Nope, you good, bro. Yep, I was, when I first started, I also was questioning what you're looking for. We're done. We took our trades. We're happy. Small wins today, but it's still a win. Could have been worse. You got to keep the, you know, it hit a full TP. We missed it. It is what it is. We caught a small piece of the pie. Cannot complain, brother. Wins are wins. Yeah, wins are. It's not even about the win. It's about the fact we were correct. No stupid questions. PM session, great question. I'd have to look at 130. Simple question is, look for 130 power of 3. What do you think will happen? Yeah, just look for 130 power of 3. Simple. It probably won't be too exciting, though. Probably won't be too exciting. Why not TP at London High? You could have TP London High for sure. London High is here. Yeah, you for sure could have TP London High. That's pretty much where I ended up closing. Can you explain that? 130 New York time. Yep. Do you know what power of 3 is? Damn. I feel like a lot of people don't really understand. I want to show you guys. I swear I do, but I need to finish my book. I can't, yeah, 130 power of 3. 130 is the opening price of the 4-hour regular trading hours candle. We're trading regular trading hours. So that's the candle I use. 130 starts to run. Key time ICT dropped. 930, 130. Those are your 2 4-hour candles in regular trading hours. The session is a total of 8 hours. So, yeah, simple. Try to find the wick. How long did it take you to pass your funded? I passed, like after I got my first one or after I started trading. Nope, Discord's free, brother. You should come through. Do you trade African session? Who is this guy, bro? Jacob, this guy. You're down so bad on your funded? No worry, bro. I lost my last fundeds. I lost my last 2 fundeds. You know? Just gonna try again. It is what it is. Sometimes we get payout. Sometimes we get blown account. It is what it is, bro. Just keep going. You gotta keep your head in the game, brother. You know? The goal is to improve your trading. The goal is to not make money as quickly as possible, right? Just remember that. Hey, Koala, I told you. I mean, I don't count this as a win. This isn't even a 1R. Was this even a 1R win? I mean, here we got stopped out, so it wasn't even a win. Unfortunate. It was a 1R. It was 1R. It's not even a win. That's not a win in my books. I didn't take any trade today because of your bad PA. Just watching your live, I did learn. Yeah, man. The goal is to improve. I think a lot of the people who are trading now don't have that mindset, right? They're thinking, gotta make this much this week, or I'm down this much, I'm up this much. Are you improving though? That's all that really matters. Are you improving? You know? Are you getting closer to your goal? Yes, that is very unfortunate, Elliot. I 100% feel you, bro. How many trades a day are good for mental? Every person is different. For me, 2 max. I know myself, 2 max. Maybe the number will change eventually, but am I in short? No. We took profits on longs. Small win day, but still a win. Any plan for next educational video? Okay, you know what? For everyone, oh man, should I just show you guys? I'm so tempted. Like that's why I'm not answering any of the questions when it comes to my next teaching, my next educational content, sauce. I dropped some things in the Discord. I think I should wait, guys. I don't think I should. I'll tell you guys what I'm working on. The next video will be introduction to gems. Gems? What is gems? Gems is going to be... Someone said, wait. This guy said, wait in all caps. You got me, bro. I'm waiting. You got me. I'm waiting, bro. I'm waiting. You got me. Put the TikTok chat here so YouTube can see. In which section of the Discord can I find it? My new book? Everything will be posted in ebooks. Gaddy's elite model. Still in NQ longs. That's great, bro. Yeah, do you only trade NQ? No, I trade ES as well. I took my first trade on crude oil just for fun not too long ago. We lost. It was a shitty trade, but I've never actually put a trade on. I don't even know the point spread, so I'm interested in going into crude oil, maybe gold futures. I also trade stocks and Forex, but that's separate from what you'll see live. I trade Forex, usually not live, and I also trade stocks on my own time. Looking at AMD right now. I need confirmation of longs first. Any trades? We took 2 trades today, 2 small wins. I don't even count them as wins. Just like it was plus 300 or plus 250 or something. Don't even count that. It's not even 1R, right? We risked 300. So to be fair, we didn't risk 300 on that trade. So it was 2R, but in the grand scheme of things, US 30. I would have TP'd here. Yeah, the US 30 was lagging today, but same bias as the others. Same bias. Right, Asia highs is what we were looking for. Obviously, this one's lagging. It's probably not going to make it there, but I would expect it to keep going up until... Oh, just if I trade. Better than losing, yeah. It'll go up until... US 30 is fine. I don't like it, but I know some people are pretty profitable with it, so it's up to you. So people who are asking, like, what am I going to post educational and stuff? The next thing I'm posting, I'm just going to say what it is. Knowledge from over thousands of backtested trades. I'd say I probably have 500 live trades. Maybe, is it possible to have more? Probably more than 500 live trades. 500 live trades, thousands and thousands of backtested trades. Anywhere from like 100 to 500 forward tested trades. Knowledge from that. Knowledge from all of ICT's mentorships. And knowledge from my journal and how I trade. It's all going to be put in, and I haven't been able to do this until recently. It's all going to be put into one concept. It's going to be my edge. It's going to be my edge. Yeah, that's the word. My edge that's the word, right? My edge in the marketplace. It's going to have the lessons to learn what it is, and it's going to have the model, the executions, the risk management for funded accounts, everything. It's going to be laid out really nicely. It's going to be very organized. It's going to be very, very good. That's what I'm working on. So right now, no videos until that. I'll make a video on it, and we'll see how I'm gonna release it. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see. But that's the plan. All right, looks like the questions are fading out. People are following. Last thing I want to say before we go make some breakfast here. If you are watching on TikTok, I encourage you, come over to YouTube. Start watching on YouTube. YouTube is where all the brothers are at. All the non-trolls, all the real people. Any trades today? We took 2 trades. 1 break even, 1 win. Small wins. Nothing crazy. It was 2R, but we risked less on the trade. If you're on TikTok, I encourage you to come over to YouTube. YouTube is GatieTrades. If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. All the content is there for free. You're about to full port. Wish you luck. You're gonna full port longs because I don't think we're gonna reverse this, but maybe. You do you, brother. What's good, Dragon? What's good, brother? If you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. There's ebooks. There's people running Forex sections. There is, right, the ebooks are really good. Wait, how's this guy named Orange? Oh, he bursted the server. Yo. I was gonna say, cool. There's ebooks here, insane ebooks. Honestly, you will never find ebooks anything similar to this. This ebook has 30,000 words, 200 pages. It's the entire 2016 ICT mentorship. You won't find anything like it. I also have 2024 episodes 1 to 2. This is these two are like, you'll see what it is when you go. This morning was good. Yeah, this morning was pretty good. I don't trade pre-market, but 9 a.m. was good. 8:30 was good here, especially. Yeah, if you went to 8:30, you caught a nice trade today. You know, previous day low was taken 8:30, and immediate reaction. You got the breaker here. Classic 2022. Enter on the order block. Look at that delivery, man. 1 tick on the order block. Did you even get to the breaker? Yeah, the breaker is right here. Just beautiful. If you missed that, you take the inversion. Stop loss at the breaker low. It's just beautiful. Can you answer my question in Discord? I got you. As soon as I end the live, I'll answer questions on Discord. All right, we're going to wrap it up now. I'll be live again tomorrow, exact same time, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time, every single day, bro. I'm here every day, bro. Like, do you know anyone here is every day? I have never missed a day. I took a 1-week vacation, and besides that, I never took a day off. Like, we here, bro. You can ask me here. Yeah, ask me here. I'll answer you here real quick. Bullish buys call today. Appreciate you, Caddy Pan. Did you take a trade? Took 2 trades today. 1 was break even. 1 was a small win. Don't qualify it as anything significant. We were, more importantly than the win that we took, was we called out this price move absolutely perfectly. We called it out perfectly from this low, from 930's power of 3, from 1030's distribution. Who remembers that? We said 1030 was likely to distribute. We tried to get in, but we missed that. But we still caught the move, a little bit of it. Everything perfect. Can you explain what kind of situation to expect manipulation for this? Ooh, good question. That's gonna be in the book? That's a good question. I'll go over it quickly. So, I'll tell you one of the ways. How about that? Because I don't want to just leak out all the sauce right now. I'll give you one of the ways. One of the ways is identifying strong lows, key lows. I call them key lows. Are futures more safe than options? It's probably the same, bro. TP is about to hit too, man. It's beautiful. Yeah, we caught that. Really nice move. Yeah. Unfortunately, we didn't get to capture it. It's been a while since I captured a nice move like this, but at least you were right. Identifying strong lows and power of 3. So there's 2 power of 3s today. In fact, there's 3, Let's avoid the weekly power of 3 for now and just focus on the daily and intraday power of 3, okay? Your daily power of 3, I viewed on the 15-minute chart. This isn't a clean accumulation, right? It's obviously not. But you have midnight opening price. Failure to manipulate above. Now, not every day it's going to come back up here, right? Not every day. Most days, but not every day. The way to know if it's going to come back up here is narrative and time, period. Just like anything in trading, it's only valid if you have the correct narrative and the correct timing. That's it. You still in the trade? No, I wish. Damn, bro, I wish I was in the trade, but no, we took a small profit and we ended up just tape reading the rest. Narrative and context. What's the narrative? What's the narrative, Gatie? Why should price come here? The daily bullish fair value gap, right? If we're higher time frame, oh look, we got some sauce here that I forgot to delete. Hold on, let me clear that up real quick. The daily bullish fair value gap. We took previous day low. We took out the sell side here. And now we're expecting a move higher, simple, to the fair value gap. Simple narrative, very simple narrative. Anyone should be able to achieve that narrative if you trade ICT. Took previous day low, framing the reversal. Why is this low strong? How can you expect 930 distribution? Because the timing of this low. The timing of this low, well, it wasn't at 930, right? Let's say hypothetically we were right here. Or let's say right here. And this is 930 open. Well, I'm expecting 930 to move lower, right? Because we haven't taken out that key level yet. It's not going to reverse. If it's going to, remember, the narrative is unlocked if we take previous day low and then move up. That is the narrative you're trying to build. You have to have the correct narrative. So the fact that this low was taken at 8:30 or whatever time, 9, whatever, right? You have a couple narratives in play. The reversal is being framed already. You don't expect it to come all the way back down here. If it comes back down here, what's happening? Your narrative is most likely incorrect. It shouldn't. Think about the timing. It shouldn't. It's 9:30 now. We've taken out the key low. We've already manipulated lower. This is daily power of 3, right? So 9:30, you're not going to get a significant power of 3, right? You're going to get a small move below 9:30 just to form the wick. Exactly. Elliot already took the trade by this point. You're going to get a small wick at 9:30, which is what we called out. And then you're going to get distribution. So the 930 is not going to be used to set up a reversal. It's going to be used, this is the key. 930 is not going to be used to set up the reversal power of 3. It's going to be used as distribution for the daily power of 3. That's the sauce. That's the sauce. I secured a small 100 pin from Oklo this morning. Nice, bro. That's the sauce right there. Your job is to identify, is 930 going to set up a reversal power of 3, smart money reversal, or is it going to be used to distribute daily power of 3? And there's your TP. Asia high, right there. It hit. We called it out at 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. We called out this. We said this was going to inverse. We said it was going to hold. Unfortunately, we lost some sauce here. We got stopped out in break even. It was really choppy here. Was I expecting that chop? There wasn't any real accumulation, so it makes sense that it accumulated here, distributed at 10:30 instead of 9:30. That happens. It's fine. It can happen, you know. So if you didn't get the accumulation at 9:30, you know, you'll most likely get it after. Oh, I appreciate all the gifts, Mohammed. You think Tesla dropping under 317? Let's answer that as a last question. I was expecting line how to get taken. Yeah, stupid to actually follow it. If you traded too early, Koala, you had the right idea, but you traded too early. Man, I would not. I like this weekly fair value gap, 310. Eventually, we'll probably come here. It looks like all-time highs, maybe 400. Like something like this, I would maybe trade. This week, I wouldn't even worry about the time. For me, the way I look at this is If it comes here, I'll look if the setup forms. I'll look. If it doesn't form, that's okay. But I don't want to buy Tesla this expensive personally. There's better options. I think AMD has a lot of movement up potentially. It's been kind of stuck in a range. Monthly. I think this monthly can flip. Maybe we take previous month low and move higher, or previous month low and move higher. Weekly sell side. Reverse. Maybe something like this would work. We took one small win today. Yeah. One small win today. I'm good, Alberto. I'm good. All right, closing statement. Someone said, how do payouts for funded work? Basically, you make money on your funded account, and then you take some of it out to your bank account, bro. That's it. If you take out too much, then you don't have that much left in your funded account, so you might blow it, right? You can't let the balance go to zero, but you can if you want to. This was our real objective, so we'll see. I mean, it's gonna hit. Yeah, Tuesday reversal. Tuesday low of week? Nah, I'm favoring Wednesday or Thursday high of week. Today's CPI week, right? Am I mistaken? Wait, there's no CPI this week? Oh no, that's a mistake by me. Yeah, that's a mistake by me. 30. Wow, Tuesday low of week. Could we really expect another all-time highs? I don't know. We'll have to see. I'd favor shorts from here, staying with the order flow, but I guess we'll find out. We'll find out. All right, closing sentences. Everyone on YouTube, I appreciate you coming through. As always, YouTube family's always been real to me. If you're on TikTok, right? This is what I see. If you're on TikTok, I encourage you to come over to YouTube as long as you're not a troll. If you're a troll, stay in TikTok. To all my real people, come over to YouTube. YouTube is where it's at. YouTube is where all the homies are at. Everyone already left, so not talking to much people now, but I appreciate everyone coming through. I'm gonna go make some breakfast. Today I'm going to the gym, so we'll be locking in on that till tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. Turn on your post notifications or drop a follow so you know I'm live if you want to see me on this journey. We'll be doing this every day. A lot of sauce is coming. I can't wait to show. I'm gonna work as soon as I end the stream. I'm making breakfast and I'm back in the lab, bro. Like, I'm not wasting any time with this. I gotta get this shit down. I need to know. So we're working on the sauce. Drop a follow on TikTok. Drop a like on whatever on YouTube so you know when I'm live tomorrow. We'll be live tomorrow. Yo, what do you guys think about this background on my desktop though? It low-key goes crazy, no? This ICT thing goes crazy. That's all I'm gonna say. All right. Peace out, boys. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. Appreciate the gifts, Muhammad, too, bro. This guy gave me roses and shit.